This wiring harness is the next thing to go on. But yeah, about to open up this fairing box. I was about to say after all these years, but it ain't been no years. It's only been a couple months. But yep, about time we crack this box open.
Oh, I gotta record?
I mean, yeah.
God dang. I'm tired. I need this GoPro for my airsoft.
Oh boy. How am I gonna do this?
Can you get me one of these for Christmas?
Sure. I got a whole 360 days.
Nah, the new Christmas, this weekend.
Oh, see, that's the New Year's. That's,
yeah, the New Year's Christmas.
That's different. So I think I'm gonna go ahead.
Black.
Oh, you just tap it so you can see it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. What do you want?
Put that there, put that there. Put this in. Did I do that? Probably. That's it.
And what's these two snaps right here for?
These. Wait, where are they?
Relays?
Yep.
You can't get them off?
Mm-mm.
You got baby fingers?
Mm-hmm.
All right, hold this. I'll take them off.
I think.
Nah, it's the pins on the side. Just these,
Nah,
just the muds at the bottom.
Yeah.
Nope, you gotta take the whole black piece off. Show y'all what he can't do.
With nails.
He got baby fingers. I'm gonna show you him.
Oh, you just gonna go ahead and grab the flathead. I was determined.
Yep. Yep. That's too much work.
Yeah, I replaced them when I was trying to figure out why the headlight.
Ow! That hurt! Oh!
What you doing, man?
That screwdriver fell down and hit my toe.
Oh, I thought you did something to your hand.
Heck no. That hurt. Hold up.
Mm-hmm.
Do it matter which one go which side?
Nope.
Oh. Well, that's a good thing.
Yep.
Because if it did,
then you done forgot.
I was just told to take them off. Now your harness is on there. I bet you these are probably to add stuff on. You should look it up and see what you can do with those. Cause I bet you that's something you can add on, and those probably just covers. I bet you. I would look it up, see what they go to.
So only thing left. Push this down. That way.
Look how it snaps so nice and pretty. So nice and pretty.
So my question is,
Hey, what's
should
these?
I have?
These the two right here you say you didn't know, wasn't sure. What them new right there?
Yeah.
And then it's just this snap over here, right?
Yep.
Both of them?
Yep. Of course, the square to the square, and then the circle to the circle, and then these two.
All right. And now you're good to go.
Yep. And then this headlight right there. And then that's that whole harness. Simple.
My hand's too big for this.
Yeah. So that should be good. It's in there.
Yep. We're good to go now.
And then them just sitting right there. So that's that.
Now open your box.